Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast on the Carnival Panorama ship. This is a complimentary room on the 9th floor, balcony room. Coming into the room, you can see that it's spacious. Mandy out on the balcony. Have a extra couch area, towel, some of our things, table in the middle. Have a desk area over here, perhaps for a laptop. You can see a room phone, outlets, planner, a remote for the television, and some water that may or may not be included. I think with some status, you get a complimentary bottle. TV over here, the mirror. Coming over to the closet space, a room safe in the middle, area for storage. Closet on this side, several hangers, more storage area. Opening for another side, so it's nice they do separate it for two people. Closing the closet and into the bathroom. Right when you walk in, you can see the shower with amenities on the wall. Down to the floor, a little bit of an area separating the shower from the rest of the bathroom. Toilet close by. Large mirror area. Decent size sink area. So not too bad with the bathroom. A little spacious. Usually they're going to be small on cruises. Wall art onto the bedding. Have two double beds put together that can separate. And in the middle, unpack and choose fun. They have this as a registered slogan. The Carnival as well. Unpack and choose fun. Some lamps to the side of the bedding and the balcony area. You can see outside still at the port in Los Angeles. Have some ships in the background. You can see the back here, a little bit of an island, looks like. There are walls separating each of the balcony rooms. Nice being on floor 9. It's only one floor up to the buffet, the dining area. And one more view of the room. Decently spacious for two people. Side couch, bed area, and just one desk for laptops. Hand back to the balcony and a decent view of the room from the couch. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Carnival Panorama. Stay tuned for more videos from the cruise.